Welcome to the Passware version 2021 v1 update video. This is the latest and last update video of 2020, in which we're going to talk through some of the changes being introduced into Passware version 2021 v1. We're proud to introduce a number of new features into version 2021 v1, and we'll provide an overview of these in this video. First and foremost, we've made some exciting additions and improvements to our memory analysis and full disk encryption capabilities. We're pleased to announce the inclusion of Passware Bootable Memory Imager, which is a password tool that enables examiners to acquire live memory images of target Windows, Linux and Mac computers. With regards to full disk encryption, the latest version now supports instant decryption of FileVault APFS volumes using a Keychain file. There are also several password recovery improvements for SQL and PDF files, as well as the introduction of support for a new file format, Tally.ERP 9. Other improvements of note include options such as preview of generated passwords and the ability to keep the original order of words in dictionaries. Let's get into some more detail. More so now than ever, live memory analysis is an essential method in the process of securing interpretable electronic evidence, and so we've improved our support for this in version 2021 v1. A live memory image of a target machine has the potential to reveal passwords and encryption keys for disks and files. The new built-in tool, Passware Bootable Memory Imager, is now available from Passware Kit Forensic, and this can be found in the Memory Analysis section. The process for using this new capability is as follows. Firstly, on the Passware Kit start page, click Memory Analysis, then click Create Bootable Memory Imager USB and follow the on-screen instructions to create a bootable USB. This usually takes less than 5 minutes. Next, insert the created USB into the target machine and perform a warm boot reset. The warm boot procedure differs from system to system. For Windows machines, the BIOS should be set to boot from a USB drive. For Macs without a T2, holding the Option key during startup will allow booting from a USB drive. More information and guidance on this process can be found on the Passware knowledge base. Finally, once the memory image has been saved to the USB drive, PKF can be used to analyse the image and extract encryption keys and passwords. On to FileVault APFS decryption. In situations where a keychain from a corresponding iOS device is available to the examiner and is decrypted, Passware Kit 2021 v1 now instantly decrypts FileVault APFS volumes and unlocks APFS with T2. These keychain files can be obtained using third-party tools such as Graykey, Cellbrite or Oxygen. To access this functionality, click on the I have cloud credentials or iOS backup keychain tab and select Decrypted Keychain and browse for the keychain file. Decryption will be performed instantly if the decrypted keychain includes the recovery key for the specified encrypted FileVault volume. For APFS with T2, you will get access to the encrypted volume in a read-only mode. In addition to new functionality, we're constantly working on adding support for new file types and improving password recovery speeds. From now on, Passware Kit recovers vault passwords for company files created with Tally.ERP 9 software. The recovery speed is at over 9 million passwords per second on an average CPU. Moreover, in addition to Microsoft SQL Instant Decryption, Passware Kit 2021 v1 allows examiners to recover original passwords for SQL databases. The password recovery speed is at over 26,000 passwords per second for Microsoft SQL 2019 on an average CPU. With regards to PDF passwords, Adobe Acrobat allows setting of two types of passwords for PDF files, user and owner passwords. Previously, only user passwords were supported by PKF. The new PKF version, however, recovers owner passwords and accelerates the recovery on both on NVIDIA and AMD GPUs. To access this functionality, on the start page, click Recover Password and browse for the file in question. In case an owner password is set, Passware Kit switches to batch recovery mode. Choose the password to recover first, user or owner, and customize the password recovery settings for both. In addition to owner password support, password recovery speeds for PDF files has been significantly increased. Decrypting appliances with 12 2080 Ti cards is now over 700% faster, processing up to 453 million passwords per second on PDF files using encryption revision 3. Lastly, here are some other improvements that the team have included in version 2021 v1. The new version features an improved attack editor that shows examples of generated passwords and makes it easy to experiment with attack settings. Once the attack is configured, click Sample Passwords to see sample passwords that are generated by the attack. Passware Kit 2021 now allows examiners to keep the original order of words in custom dictionaries when importing them into the Passware Kit. This allows examiners to maintain password lists sorted by the frequency of use and length, rather than alphabetically. This has the potential to be helpful when recovering passwords for file types with secure encryption, such as iTunes backups or hard disk images. As always, if you'd like to develop a deeper understanding of Passware Kit Forensic, you're invited to enrol on one of our Passware Certified Examiner training courses. We welcome any feedback, feature requests or ideas you may have regarding our product set, and if you'd like to speak to us about something, please contact us at csupport@passware.com. Wishing you a happy and successful 2021.